Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to manage, how to turn on or off the charging sound on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now we have to find sound. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced, and here we have to find other sounds and vibrations. On the third position we've got charging sounds and vibration option, which in my case is turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and from now on, since this option is active, you will be able to hear the sound feedback from your device after plugging in the cable. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to manage charging sounds in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.